Hey guys! Today I'm showing you how to get an everyday polished look on my cousin Maria using Beautycounter's Flawless in 5 collection, followed by our new Get the Look collection, which amps up your look for more drama on a daily basis or special event. With a cotton pad, I am using micellar water to prepare Maria's face. With clean hands, I'm moisturizing Maria's skin with Beautycounter Counter Match Adaptive Moisture Lotion. This is my favorite moisturizer personally, and to use on clients under makeup application. It absorbs instantly and adapts with your skin throughout the day to balance out moisture levels using patented biomimic technology. I'm applying the moisturizer a little heavy to make sure Maria's skin is well primed. This works amazing under foundation as a primer. While I'm waiting for the moisturizer to absorb, I'm going to comb through Maria's brows. I do this frequently while I'm in the process. It helps me to keep a polished look in mind. Next, I'm going to shade match Maria with Beautycounter Tint Skin Hydrating Foundation. Your foundation should match the rest of your body. I'm using her neck and matching to her chest color. She is a perfect match for the shade Honey. I deposited the foundation onto my hand, and now I'm using a dense foundation brush to buff the foundation into her skin. This foundation can be applied using your hands, but I prefer a brush. Tint Skin Hydrating Foundation provides light to medium buildable coverage. It has safer ingredients that help your skin appear flawless, smoother, and glowing. It has a natural finish, and it's great for all ages, especially aging skin. Next, I'm applying Beautycounter Touch-Up Skin Concealer in Light. This is a shade lighter than her foundation because I want to lighten up her under eye area. I like using my fingers to bump this into the skin to achieve a flawless application. The click pen is very handy, and I like to dispense it onto my hand and then apply it onto the face. With a fluffy brush, I am using Beautycounter Mattifying Powder to set the concealer under her eyes. This will ensure her makeup stays put for a long time. Our powder blends invisibly with no white residue, and it's formulated to be safer with no detectable heavy metals. Now I'm defining Maria's brows with Beautycounter Color Define Brow Pencil in medium. Her brows are beautiful, so I want to keep them nice and fluffy looking. When filling in your brows, always start at the tail. You want them to appear natural, and a dense, dark brow is not natural looking. Always start with a sharp pencil and make sure to comb through frequently to blend the pencil strokes. With a blush brush, I am lightly sweeping the apples of her cheeks with Beautycounter Satin Powder Blush in Melon. The color payoff is incredible. I love this. The formula is triple milled to a precise, silky smooth texture, and it blends seamlessly on top of this foundation. To finish the Flawless in 5, I am using Beautycounter lip gloss in Peony. It's a warm pink. Our lip gloss is safer because we use natural vanilla fragrance instead of artificial fragrance, and we use vitamin E instead of harmful preservatives. It goes on so smooth and it is not sticky. And that's it. That's the Flawless in 5. All of these products are an easy switch to safer, high-performing makeup for only $150, and it saves you $37 if you purchase everything separately. So now I'm going back in with some Beautycounter mattifying powder on the rest of Maria's face. I'm starting off our newest makeup collection called Get the Look. And I'm using this mattifying powder because I'm going to use bronzer and highlighter next, and these will blend easier. Now I'm going in with Beautycounter Radiant All Over Bronzer in the color Surf. I like to start on the forehead, move to the cheeks, and then the jawline. For a more natural bronzed look, make sure you concentrate color close to your hairline, especially when you're working on your cheeks. You want the color to be a gradual bronze inward. Starting on the eyes, I'm using the Beautycounter Velvet Eyeshadow Palette in Classic. Using a fluffy eyeshadow brush, I am applying Suede all over Maria's natural crease. You want to start with the lightest color and build your way up. Next, I am using that same brush to apply Sienna all over the crease to deepen the color. Now I'm using Sable in the outer corner with a smaller blending brush. Keep blending until you cannot see any lines of demarcation. Blending, blending. Next, I'm using Sahara all over the lid with a clean finger. I like using my fingers to apply shimmers. More blending. Using the matte colors, I'm lining the lower lid for added drama. I'm going back in with a darker brown from the palette, Burnished. I am using a black eyeliner to line Maria's eyelid. I am also going to line her waterline for added drama. You don't have to be precise with this, and I will show you why in a moment. So taking a smaller eyeshadow brush, I am smudging the eyeliner on the top of her lid. It's a more natural, smoky look, and I like that. More mascara for drama. To finish up the look, I am applying Beautycounter Sheer Lipstick in Rose. I recommend this as a starter color to all of my clients. It looks good on everyone. Our sheer lipstick is the ultimate everyday lipstick. It has a touch of sheen, a wash of color, and it's so comfortable. Here I'm applying some highlighter from Beautycounter and Halo. As an artist, I often take a step back and make some final changes. That's the finished look. This is Beautycounter's Flawless in 5 plus Get the Look collection in Classic. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe for more professional tutorials with safer products. Thank you for watching. If you liked the products that you saw today, please visit the description where I will link my personal website where you can shop all of these products.